Well, as you can see in the background here, our sweet potatoes have overgrown the raised bed where they were planted. We've got a few tips to show you on growing sweet potatoes. We want to check and see how they're coming along. Well, as you can see, sweet potato vines produce lush growth that just spills over the planting area to where you can hardly even find where the potatoes were growing originally. And this does tell you that they require a lot of moisture to support all that vine growth. And this time of year, of course, it's too early yet to harvest sweet potatoes, but it won't be long until they are of a size that you want to dig and store. We went ahead and dug up one plant, and just supporting this cluster of sweet potato tubers, we had to remove all of this vine material behind me. So that tells you that they do need a lot of water to support all that growth. Now these sweet potatoes are not mature yet, but the tubers are forming. They're coming along quite nicely, and probably in about 3 to 4 weeks we'll be ready to harvest them. So don't wait until you're on the brink of a frost to go dig your sweet potatoes. They may be way too big by then. Go ahead, check them now, keep an eye on them, and then dig them when they reach about 3 inches across by 5 to 6 inches long. They'll be about ready to harvest then.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.